Alev, Yeshushinam Hayasa. Hello, I'm Shushi from Hayasa, and today we're going to learn the personal pronouns of Armenian. Things that you have to keep in your mind before we actually move to the personal pronouns. Armenian, like English, has singular and plural pronouns, and we also have three persons, so first person, second person, and third person. Another thing is that Armenian language has both formal and informal use. And the third thing is that Armenian has no gender. This is good. We don't have any distinction between he or she. We have only one pronoun that you can use to refer to both. Okay, now we can start. So the first person, I, in Armenian is yes, yes. The second person, you, will be du, and the formal one will be duk. Remember, the informal one is du, the formal one is duk. The third person, na. We have another pronoun for na, which is inka. These pronouns mean almost the same thing. They can be used interchangeably. This is not really about the gender. This is about how definite the third person is when you are talking about the third person. Let's say you are talking to the second person about the third person who is standing next to you. In this case, you'll more likely use inka. When you are talking to the second person about the third person and the third person is somewhere not around you, in this case you will more likely use na. Now the plural ones. We in Armenian will be menk. Menk. Duk will be you, the plural you, and here you should have noticed that formal you, duk, and plural you, duk, are the same, and the last one, they, in Armenian is նրանք. Նրանք. This is really easy. Let's start from the beginning. Yes, yes, du or duk. When I want to show respect, I will say duk. And the third person, na or inka. Our group, menk, duk, նրանք will be they. That was it for today. You can move to my next video and learn to conjugate the verb to be, so you will be able to introduce yourself. Thank you very much. I'm Shushi from Hayasa. See you the next time.